Are you familiar with smile surgery? Smile surgery is a laser refractive surgery for the removal of spectacles. It is a surgical procedure that treats astigmatism and myopia. In this, a small dish-shaped lens called lenticule is created in the cornea using femtosecond laser. This lenticule is then removed through a small incision which changes the shape of the cornea, thus correcting the spectacle number. If we talk about the advantage of smile surgery, one of the most common side effects after any laser surgery is dryness of the eye, which is comparatively less in smile because no flap is created in it. Secondly, since there is no flap created, the risk of complication is lower compared to other flap-related surgeries. The next benefit, many people are afraid of pain caused by the blade in the surgery. In such case, smile is completely bladeless, painless and stitchless, so you can undergo this surgery without any fear. But can every spectacle number be removed by smile? No, smile cannot correct plus power. Also, high cylindrical powers cannot be removed by smile. If you have a plus power or high cylindrical power, technologies like SmartServe are best for you. Secondly, smile is a flapless procedure, so there is no risk of flap-related complications. But lenticule extraction also has its risks, such as lenticule not being fully formed due to suction loss, improper separation while separating the lenticule from cornea, incision-related problems, etc. However, these problems are very rare. Thirdly, a lot of maneuvering is done in the eye to create the lenticule in smile, so it is not possible in people with thin or uneven corneas. Fourth, since some steps in smile are done manually, such as lenticule separation and removal, if there is any other issue in your eye like corneal opacity and glaucoma, smile is not done. Now coming to the next point. Friends, you might know that in any procedure, the doctor removes the full number of the patient, but sometimes during recovery, a number close to 0.5 can be induced. In normal LASIK or SmartServe, enhancement can be done very easily, but in smile, it is not possible to create the lenticule again. Lastly, similar to other LASIK procedures, smile surgery cannot correct near vision. Talking about the cost of smile surgery is approximately 65,000 per eye. If you are also looking to get your specs removed, you can call our helpline number to book a free consultation.